Welcome to the recorded demo video of Trade License Management System for Citizen. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Citizen Login option on the system interface to access the Citizen functions. Upon selecting Citizen Login, the user will be directed to the ePraman sign-in page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, tick the I consent checkbox, and then click on the Sign In button. After successfully sign in, the user will be redirected to the Citizen dashboard. Select the Trade License module from the available options. Upon selecting the Trade License module, the user will be redirected to the Trade License dashboard. The Trade Dashboard offers options to link a license, apply for a new license, and allows users to view and track their application status, including pending applications, approved applications, and attached licenses. To apply for a new license, proceed by selecting the Apply New License option. Select your ULB, then click the Confirm button to access the Apply New Trade License application form. After selecting the ULB, the user will be redirected to the Trade License application form. The Trade License application form will display detailed information about the required fields for your convenience. In Step 1, the user must fill in all the required basic details about the business in the registration form, including apply with, firm type, premises owner type, category type ID. After completing Step 1, click the Save and Next button to proceed. In Step 2, the user must fill in all the required details about the firm in the registration form, including holding number, ward number, new ward number, total area in square feet, firm name, firm establishment date, business address, landmark, PIN code, owner of business premises, business description, nature of business. After completing the firm details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 3, the user must fill in all the required details about the owner in the registration form, including owner name, guardian name, mobile number, email address. After completing the owner details, confirm the owner option by clicking the relevant button, then proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 4, the user must fill in the required license details in the registration form. After selecting the license duration, the charge applied, penalty, denial or arrears amount, and total charges are automatically filled in. After completing the license details, tick the Declaration checkbox, then proceed by clicking the Submit this form button. A confirmation message will be displayed for the application submitted successfully, along with the generated application number and the option to upload documents. Proceed by selecting the Upload Document option to upload the required documents. The user must upload property documents, such as business premises, and an identity proof for the trade application. Select the document type under Business Premises, then click the Choose File button to select the file. After selecting the file, click on the Upload Document option. Select the document type under Identity Proof for the trade application, then click the Choose File button to select the file. After selecting the file, click on the Upload Document option. After uploading the required documents, proceed to payment by selecting the relevant option. The total payable amount will be displayed along with the payment options. Upon clicking the Payment button, all available payment options will be displayed. Select your preferred payment method and complete your payment. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.